Let's add some loops to your project, but not Fruit Loops. Although I am hungry now. Okay, we're going to take an overview look at the pen tool within the track editor for our MIDI section. Now the pen tool is really universal and it does several things but generally does the same thing. Now how does that work? Well, I'll show you right now. Now if we're in the view of notes, if we click on that down arrow, we're on the view of notes so we can see our MIDI notation. Now let's say I wanted to write in a note specifically somewhere. We can do that with the pen tool. So all you have to do is hold the Apple key or the command key, whichever one you want to call it, same button. Hold it and you see the arrow turns into a little pen or pencil, but let's call it the pen tool. So I'm going to let go and just hit the option, or not, excuse me, the Apple key, and that brings up the pen tool. Now from there, all I have to do is click anywhere I want, and that will create the note. So click right there, and that creates the note. From there, I can either change the note and place it to the correct note, or I can just create the note where it should be already in the first place, such as right there. Okay, I'm just gonna undo those. Now, if we go to, let's say, let's look at sustain. I can hold the Apple key again, turns into pen tool, and click, and quickly creates a sustain from off to on at this specific time on the timeline grid. Undo that. Now if I go to pitch bend, hold down the Apple and click, creates a dot on the pitch bend. If I go over here, click again, go over here, click again. Now this controls the pitch bend. So that's a brief overview of the pen tool, and it does kind of a lot, but all fairly similar. And we're going to go through each and one of these sections within the next few videos of modulation, pitch bend, sustain, expression, and foot control.